Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here on this vlog here. All right. It's Easter Sunday right now, okay? Happy Easter to all of you, okay? Maybe I should have started off with a live stream or something like that. But I'll do the live stream later, okay? Good morning to y'all. Happy Easter to y'all and stuff like that. hmm So yesterday was great. I know y'all watched the my gaming and stuff that I did day before yesterday and yesterday and is continue on uploading and stuff like that. Okay. So so anyway, what I'm gonna do one of these days, not this week, next week, I'm gonna try my best to invite Megan to the show. Okay, so y'all gonna meet Megan. Okay, she's nice and sweet. She's hood. But she's a good girl, y'all. She's real sweet, cool, and she's a tough girl. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So and by the way, sometime this week coming, we're gonna have a Mario marathon. Okay, so what this Mario marathon is, okay? This Mario marathon, I'm a play Mario games and stuff like that, and, and then it'll be in one episode. I might I might put this into two parts or three parts or four parts. Who knows? Depends on how long my gamings are. Okay, depends on how long it is. Okay, because the game might take about a few hours or whatever. I don't know. Okay, all right. So so anyway, I'll play as much Mario games as I can. Okay, so so anyway, if I have Yoshi's Island or whatever and play Yoshi's Island, then the Yoshi's Island. Well, I can compare that to a Mario game, but it's mostly a Yoshi game, even if it be Baby Mario or whatever. Okay, all right. So anyway, y'all, and then I'm gonna put the Mario sports game in them. Okay, but you know what, y'all? Uh, I also got this video right here on my other two channels. Okay, all right, the Domino 7 show channel and the Domino 7 channel. Okay, with the seven with the word seven. My nickname spelled out and stuff like that. Okay. So if you watching this on the Domino 866 gameplay channel, so you gonna see it on this channel. But if you're watching this on my other two channels, click the link below. Okay. If this video is not on the Domino 866 channel, I say if this video I'm recording is on my other channels, click the link below, okay, in the description box. But if you're watching this video on the Domino 866 gameplay channel, there's no description. Say the link in the description box, okay? So I'm just letting y'all know what's happening, okay? All right, so I'm gonna try to get Megan to be on the show. It ain't gonna be this week coming. Probably next week, or that following week. Okay. So today's Easter Sunday. I'm gonna be watching church on video. Okay. All right. So anyway, y'all. This is my favorite holiday. But I'm gonna talk about that on my live stream, YouTube live stream, and Facebook live stream. Okay. All right. So thank y'all for watching so far. All right. So I hope y'all gonna enjoy my future episodes and stuff like that. But before I go, okay. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna go to my cousin Riley's graduation. Okay. But she gonna have a graduation party at her house. So I sure hope y'all gonna enjoy the graduation party. You know. So I don't know what college Riley is going to. Okay. So I want to let y'all know that I won't be going to Riley's graduation because she don't have enough tickets for everybody. Okay. That's all I want to tell y'all. Okay. But unfortunately, I won't be going because I would have done just a Facebook Live. Okay. So that's okay, Riley. Okay. The way I think about it, Riley probably watching this a couple of years from now. Who knows where she is? So if you're watching this on my different channel, okay, click the link below to watch Okay, so click the link below to my YouTube gaming channel, vlogging and gaming channel. Okay, and subscribe to that too. Okay, thank you. But if you're watching this on the Domino 866 gameplay channel, there's no description. I mean, say no link in the description box. Okay. All right. So once again, I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna try my best to get Megan on the show, and Megan gonna tell her friends and family, probably her family, that she was on a Domino 7 show. Okay, I can hardly wait because I haven't interviewed anybody in a long time, in a long time. Okay. Well, I haven't interviewed people in in my residence in a long time. So normally I don't want too many people to know where I stay. Okay. All right, because I don't want people to constantly come to my house wondering, hey, Domino, and want, you know what I'm trying to say, And one more thing I want to tell y'all, when I was living in New Iberia, one girl called my phone unexpectedly, and she used to work at Super One Foods in New Iberia. That's a supermarket. But I kind of wonder, how did she get my number? Who knows? Somebody gave her my number. I don't know who the hell it was. And then I had her to I had her talk to my mom because I don't know, because I ain't know who the hell she was. Cause somebody getting my number and stuff like that. I don't like anybody with my number who I don't know. So all right, so that's all I got to say. So I'm going. All right, I'm gonna have a Mario marathon sometime this week. I will try my best to get Megan to be on the show. Okay. All right. So one of these days I'm gonna introduce y'all to Megan. Okay. So hopefully she'll be into it. Okay. All right. So that's all I got to say. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Okay. If you're watching this on my other two channels, click the link below in the description box for my gaming channel. But if you're watching this on my gaming channel already, there's no link in the description box. Okay. All right. Happy Easter to y'all and stuff like that. Thank y'all for watching this vlog. Okay. So I will have a Mario marathon, and then I will try to get Megan to be on the show. Okay. All right. That's all I gotta say. All right. Bye bye.